Flat roofs protect buildings differently than pitched ones. Whether it's a warehouse or a residential addition, understanding your roof is key to its longevity. When leaks occur, fast action is critical. Storm damage can ruin insulation and interiors if not addressed within 24 to 48 hours. Flat roofing requires specialized knowledge. Even flat roofs need a slight slope of at least a quarter-inch per foot to prevent ponding. Drainage planning is critical. A specialist designs systems with tapered insulation to ensure water flows efficiently, preventing ponding even on the flattest surfaces. Core services include repair, preventative maintenance twice a year, and leak detection using infrared scans to find moisture hidden beneath the surface. Choosing the right material affects lifespan and energy costs. From traditional built-up systems to modern single-ply membranes, each has specific benefits. Reflective white membranes like TPO and PVC are highly popular for energy efficiency, reflecting up to 85% of solar energy and lowering cooling bills. EPDM is a durable choice for warehouses, while modified bitumen offers proven flexibility for smaller commercial and residential projects. Ponding water is a major threat. If water sits for over 48 hours, it can degrade the membrane and cause costly structural damage. Pros fix these issues by heat welding seams or applying specialized coatings. A well-timed coating can extend an aging roof's life by years. Elastomeric or silicone roof coatings offer a cost-effective way to extend a roof's life, providing an extra layer of waterproofing and insulation. If you see widespread cracking or multiple active leaks, it may be time for a full replacement to protect your building's interior. Replacement involves removing old layers, inspecting the deck, and adding insulation to improve thermal performance and meet modern energy codes. Always choose a licensed specialist and insist on a detailed written estimate. Contact a pro today to protect your building from the top down.